Hey guys, Chris here. For 3-Pack Thursday today, we have a little bit of standard flagship and a OPT Platinum. So we've got retail, or the, not retail, the Hobby 2122 Series 1 and the 2122 Series 2 Hobby. And then have my retail or Mass Blaster, I forget where these were from, of the OPT Platinum. So we're going to start... we're going to go kind of order in here, a little bit of order. So we're going to save the Platinum for last. Going with the Series 1 first. Still looking for a Cold Caulfield. That's the only one I think really I'm kind of... Anything capitals and then trying to find a Cold Caulfield still. Haven't pulled one yet, so... wow, the front of the corners of those look funny. Maybe it's just... Oh, wait. Oh, this is a good... I'm not going to get a Cold Caulfield, but I've got a jersey. Sweet. And corners. So, let's go ahead and pull those off to get a Stutzla. Oop, almost gave it away. Ah, they're sticking. A flyer. That one will go in the Joey pile. Pull it off the side. There we go. DeMello, Heischer, Darlene, and rookie, or not rookie, but just a UD jersey, Alex DeBrincat. That's pretty cool. Sweet. That's a good way to start off the night. So, we got something cool. DeBrincat jersey. Now he's with still red jersey, just Flyers. So, just different team. So, we got, here I'm looking for the LaPierre rookie. Doesn't look like, I think I might have a French in here, maybe? Something, because it all looks the same, and there's not supposed to be base packs in Hobby, so probably got a French. Correct, it should be the one right there. So let's see. We've got Paul, Thomas, Olafson, Likkonen, Rooney, Kakanyemi. No, not Kakanyemi. I'm not sure how to pronounce this one. Fiska and Owen Tippett, French variation. Yay! Yeah, not the one I would like to get the French variation of some players, but he's not the one I was looking for. But that's okay. We'll set that there. And last but not least, hopefully, we'll give it a little mojo rub down. Let's see what we can do. Looks like I got something shiny in here. Is there an extra? It's only 4 cards. Darnell Nurse. What do we have on the back? Is that we got Jonathan Marchessault, Nurse, rookie Kelly. Man, that just look at. Now I know why no one ever wants to buy it. This set is always on sale. Is it a rookie? No, it's really off-center of that guy. So, here we go. We've got Owen Tippett and the French variation, and Alex DeBrincat jersey, UD game jersey. Pretty cool, considering you don't get jerseys in flagship anymore, the basic Series 1, Series 2, so that's really cool. So, let me know what you think, and catch you next time. Have a good one. Bye.